Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can export data in Databricks. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your catalog. And from here, you could just head over to the data that you want to download or export. So in my case, I'm going to be heading over to my sample data, which is going to be this one. And then let's just click on the open in dashboard option, which is going to be this one. Simply right after, it will then look something like this. You want to click on the actual data. And now to export the data that we have onto our data brick, you want to click on these three dots right beside the data name. And then you want to click on the file name that you want to export it as. So in my case, I'm going to be exporting as an CSV. And if I double click on it, I could see the data that I have on my data brick. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.